Multi-jet modeling introduction. Multi-jet modeling uses a print head with multiple nozzles to apply small droplet of material onto the printing plate. The liquid polymer is immediately hardened by UV light, allowing the desired component to be produced layer by layer. Jetting head, y axis, x axis, print head, light, UV lamp, leveling roller, build tray, left UV lamp, model material, support material, and the base moves in Z direction. Platform, plan, planarizer, UV lamp, print head, CAD interface, SDL document and HPGL file, control software, control electronics, XY movement, drop and demand jet for one thermoplastic, one for wax, plane milling mechanism model, build substrate, Z axis motion. Material can be used in multi-jet modeling, polymer producer, granulate, filament, powder, liquid, 3D 3D printing, finishing, then drop to the customers. Process of multi-jet modeling. The printer head moves across the platform in paths predefined by CAD model. The UV lamp are located directly on the printer head and cure the plastic as soon as it has been applied. The intensity of the UV light is adjusted so that the uppermost layer does not cure completely. Once the last level has been printed, the UV lamps travel over the entire component several times to complete curing. Advantage of multi-jet modeling: very large variety of material can be used. Composite material, producible, high precision and surface quality, fast process since no heating and cooling times are needed. Production of 3D printer, plastic injection molding cavities, good finishing possibilities. Disadvantage of multi-jet modeling: material are limited to only polymer and waxes, not good for high volume printing. Print head is less durable. Application of multi-jet modeling: high resolution, high accuracy prototypes can be created with multi-jet modeling. Thank you.